Hi Matrix, and welcome again. Today I'm going to be doing a simultaneous equation. So we're given two equations with two unknowns and we need to solve. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to label the equation. So I'm going to call this equation 1 and I'm going to call this equation 2. Okay. And I'm going to look at the simpler equation and I'm going to get y by itself. So you get one of the values by itself and you're going to choose the one that's easiest. Well, getting x by itself would be tricky because I've got to divide by 2. So I could do that, but the best thing to do is just to get y by itself. So I'm going to do y equals 1 minus 2x. So now I know what y is. So the second thing I do is I substitute that y value into the second equation. So I'm going to substitute 2 into 1. Right. So everywhere I see a y, I'm going to put a 1 minus 2x. So everywhere I see a y, there's a y there, I'm going to put a 1 minus 2x. So 2x squared plus x, and now I come to a y. So I replace that with a 1 minus 2x. This is equal to 0. Minus 6 equals 0. Now I can times this out. So I get 2x squared plus x minus 2x squared minus 6 equals 0. And how convenient, the x squareds go away. So I'm left with x minus 6 equals 0. So x equals 6. And then I substitute that value back into 2. Because now I know what x is. So let me put x, well, I can actually say, let me keep this in red, y equals 1 minus 2, and where I see an x, I put that that's 6. And so I get y equals 1 minus 11, which is equal to, I'm going too fast, minus 11. If you had got two answers here, which sometimes happens, you know how to solve a trinomial. You'll get two answers, and so you can put those both back in. So you're actually going to get two answers for x and two answers for y. So that's simultaneous equations. I will see you next for the nature of roots, and then finally logs, and then we're done with the algebra section. If you like this video, please try and find the subscribe button down below so that you can get notifications. And please like and share and yeah, all that good stuff. I will see you in the next lesson.